Every year, Samsung doesn't just release a software update, they rewrite how we live with our phones. And with One UI 8, it feels like your Galaxy device isn't just a gadget anymore. It's becoming a digital partner that learns, adapts, and even surprises you. Subtle tweaks, hidden features, and AI-powered magic are quietly transforming your smartphone into something far more intelligent. The best part: most of these changes won't scream for your attention. They'll simply make your phone feel alive in ways you didn't expect. Before watching, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Insights so that you can get notified on daily tech updates. Think about this: in the past, phone updates were about big flashy features, new icons, redesigned home screens, or flashy wallpapers. But Samsung has taken a different approach with One UI 8. Instead of just shouting about, "Look what's new," they've built an update that whispers improvements so smoothly into your daily routine that you suddenly realize your Galaxy feels smarter, faster, and more personal than ever. That's the magic of One UI 8, and today we're diving deep into why this update might just be Samsung's most powerful one yet. First, let's talk about the feature that's turning heads: Audio Eraser 2.0. For years, smartphone videos looked great but sounded terrible. Whether it was wind, traffic, noise, or just background chaos, the audio never matched the video quality. But with this update, Samsung's AI-driven audio tool is like having a professional sound engineer inside your pocket. Record a video at the beach. You'll hear your friend, not the crashing waves. Street concert. The singer's voice cuts through, no horns or chatter ruining the moment. And the crazy part: the more you use it, the smarter it gets. That's the beauty of AI. It learns and refines, turning ordinary recordings into content that feels studio level. Then comes call captions, a feature that could change communication forever. At first, you think it's just about noisy environments. But dig deeper, it's an accessibility revolution. Millions of users with hearing challenges suddenly have real-time captions on their calls. And it's not just for accessibility. Ever struggled with understanding someone's accent or poor network quality? Now, you don't have to. Your Galaxy becomes a universal translator that ensures you never miss a word. That's not a convenience, it's a breakthrough. Another subtle but powerful addition is the Now Brief. On paper, it sounds like just another smart assistant feature. But in practice, it's Samsung saying, you don't need 10 apps first thing in the morning, you just need the information that matters. Weather, your calendar, news highlights, reminders, even YouTube recommendations, all presented in one glance or a quick voice playback. It feels like your phone is finally respecting your time instead of drowning you in notifications. And this is where Samsung is quietly competing with Google Assistant and Apple's ecosystem, trying to build a Galaxy-first daily companion. But here's the strategic move that not enough people are noticing: Samsung could have easily saved these premium features for the upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra. Instead, they're giving them now to the S24 and other models. Why? Because One UI 8 isn't about exclusivity, it's about adoption. Samsung knows the more people experience these refinements, the harder it becomes to switch ecosystems. This is less about features, more about loyalty, and it's working. Now, let's talk about design. The dynamic lock screen clock might sound small, but it's actually a statement. Instead of being static, the clock moves, adapts, and even adjusts size depending on your wallpaper and theme. It's personalization at a deeper level. Your phone no longer feels generic, it feels like it's yours. This builds an emotional connection you don't consciously notice but feel every day. Weather animations are another subtle win. When it rains outside, your phone feels like it's raining inside the interface. Sunshine feels warm, snow feels crisp. These little touches are about immersion, and it's not hard to imagine a future where your entire phone theme shifts based on your environment. That's not just design, it's atmosphere. The Gallery app has also been polished. Cleaner menus, modern layouts, and smoother navigation mean scrolling through your memories feels less like using a file manager and more like flipping through a beautifully designed photo book. Considering how much personal content lives in our galleries, this refresh hits harder than you might think. Performance is where One UI 8 really shines. Most updates start by draining batteries and breaking stability, but not this one. Early tests show even the foldables like the Z Fold 7 are matching the endurance of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. That's not just optimization, it's Samsung proving they've finally cracked background resource management, smarter refresh rates, and AI-driven efficiency. And let's not forget the animations. You might not think about frame rates every day, but when everything flows seamlessly, every swipe, every transition, it feels premium. This is the kind of polish that makes even older devices feel brand new. So what about the future? Samsung never reveals all its cards in a beta, which means the stable release could still surprise us. Rumors hint at deeper AI integration in photo editing. Imagine Google's Magic Eraser, but built natively into your Galaxy Gallery. Interactive lock screen widgets, possible. Full ecosystem Now Brief syncing across Galaxy Watches, tabs, and phones. Very likely. One UI 8 is a foundation, not a finish line. And let's not ignore the timing. One UI 8's stable release is expected to land around IFA 2025, where Samsung will showcase the Tab S11 and Galaxy S25 FE. That's no coincidence. Imagine the headline: millions of Galaxy users are upgrading today. It's a mic drop moment designed to dominate tech news globally. And the rollout strategy, flagships first, mid-rangers later, only builds hype, making users crave the update while Samsung gathers real-world feedback. So here's the takeaway: One UI 8 isn't trying to overwhelm you with flashy overhauls. It's trying to blend into your life so seamlessly that you don't even notice when it makes things better. That's the power of refinement. That's the difference between a phone you use and a phone you depend on. And this is why I believe One UI 8 might just be the most important update Samsung has rolled out in the last decade. It's not screaming for attention, it's simply transforming the way you experience your phone. AI, personalization, performance, all quietly combining to make your Galaxy smarter, faster, and more human. So the real question isn't, should you update? It's, are you ready for your Galaxy to surprise you again? Thanks for sticking with us till the end. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit like, share it with your fellow tech lovers, and subscribe to Tech Insights so you never miss the next deep dive. Trust me, this journey into the future of smartphones has only just begun.